Hey guys, your old laptop tends to get hot, which is mainly because of the dust and thermal paste that's drying out. This can usually happen after 3 or 4 years of ownership of the laptop. In this video, I want to show you how to improve the temperature by number 1, cleaning up the dust from the fan and the overall internal components. Number 2, changing the thermal paste of the CPU and GPU if any. Number 3, add SSD heatsink if the laptop does not have it yet. In this example, I use Dell Inspiron 7501, but the procedure for most laptops are almost the same. Before we start, what we need are 99% isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloth, thermal paste. In this example, I'm using Arctic MX6, spatula to spread out the thermal paste, screwdriver set. I recommend to get a complete set because many laptops nowadays have the 5-star and 6-star screws. And lastly, SSD heatsink, including the thermal pads, but this is optional. Let's start. First, open the laptop back panel. This should not be hard, just unscrew all the screws and pull off the back casing. Mind that some laptops have sliding mechanism to remove the back panel, and some laptops have plastic latches, so after unscrewing you need to pry it open with a spudger. So while you are trying, don't pull it too hard at first or check the disassembly manual for your laptop online. Now a very quick tip: after you open the back panel, try to turn on your laptop while carefully not to touch the internals of the laptop, and then inspect whether the fan of the laptop is spinning or not. If it still doesn't spin, try to open a heavy process such as playing a YouTube video to see if the fan is actually spinning. If it doesn't spin, means your fan is spoiled already, then you need to change the fan. Now proceed to turn off the laptop and let's do the cleaning. Once you expose the internals, then we can look for the location of the fan. You can disassemble the fan if you want to by unscrewing the screws that hold the fan and unplugging the fan's connector. But we can also just use microfiber cloth with some 99% alcohol on it and just wipe over the fan. Also wipe the areas where there's visible dusts. Third step, let's locate the CPU heatsink. Usually on laptops, there is one heatsink which covers both CPU and GPU. So let's start by unscrewing it. On any devices, the CPU and GPU are the most heat generating components, followed close by SSDs. This is why CPU and GPU have dedicated heatsink and fan. It looks like a thick metal plate connected to the fan. Fourth step, you can then inspect the heatsink. In my case here, the thermal paste clearly runs out already. You can clean up the paste first by rubbing it with the cloth and alcohol. While on that, also clean up all the visible dusts. The purpose of the thermal paste is so that the CPU and GPU connect tightly with the heatsink, and the heatsink, which is highly thermal conductive, will send the heat to the fan and then be blown out of the laptop. Fifth step, once the heatsink is clean, you can apply the new thermal paste on it. Depress the thermal paste syringe slowly while spreading it out with spatula. Do it repeatedly until it's spread out nicely to the area on which you have seen the old thermal paste before. After it's spread out well, you can plug back the heatsink slowly and evenly. Don't do it too fast, otherwise you will mess up the new paste. Also put the screws back on the heatsink. You can then clean up the excess paste that might overflow outside the heatsink area. Done with the mandatory steps, you can proceed to apply a heatsink for your SSD. This is fairly simple and only applicable if you have M.2 SSD on your laptop. It usually comes with the thermal pads too, so you need to apply the pads too on top of the SSD, then only you attach the metal or copper heatsink on it. If your heatsink has a screw hole, means you have to unscrew the SSD screws first and then screw both the SSD and the heatsink together. The purpose of the heatsink is to spread out the heat to a wider area. Okay, that's all I have for you. Hopefully you'll get a better thermal performance after you do all these steps. Subscribe.